actually did not mean to order this. This is Yoga Club. I tried it once before. Future me hopping on for a second to let you know that this video was shot earlier in the year. I have already decided that Yoga Club is not for me, but I decided to post this anyway because I have some upcoming content that will kind of refer back to this. I've got a video planned on kind of Fabletics versus Yoga Club, which I think will be interesting. And the one I'm more excited about is actually about shopping for activewear on Poshmark. And some of the brands you can find at Yoga Club are definitely brands you can get on Poshmark. But I would also love to hear in the comments below if you have activewear brands you really love. I'd love to hear about what they are. If you haven't heard of them, they're one of these services where you keep everything that you pay a certain monthly fee. I think mine is discounted. I think the box I have should be $80 a month, $85 a month with shipping, and I pay $65 a month. It should have 3 pieces in it. You can choose, like it definitely has a pair of leggings. I think you can say whether or not you want bras, and I said no to bras because they don't have any bras that are like for this kind of lady. They're like cute little bras, which I think fitted tank is your other option on that. And then for tops, for like outer tops, you could have like a loose tank, short sleeve top, which I don't like short sleeve workout tops, or a long sleeve workout top. The box is heavy, so I'm hoping it's like maybe a sweatshirty type of thing, which would like increase the value of the box. I ordered from them before, and I will show you when I do the try on. I'll try on that stuff too. I just got a pair of leggings and 2 tanks, which to me, like, I can go into Marshall's and get leggings that I like for $20 and 2 tanks for a total of $30. So that would be like $50. And so I didn't think it was any great shakes, but I really want to see what's in here, and it's only 3 items. I decided I would open it with you. I had to wait and cut it now, or I would have looked at it and ruined my little surprise. So, okay, here's what it looks like inside. Ooh, I see a color I like. Oh, I see a color I like. That's exciting. Oh my gosh, I'm actually excited. It's like a teal sweatshirt. That's pretty good. And it zips down like pretty far, which is good. Good pockets. It doesn't zip all the way down though, but it's cute. I think it's going to be good. Free People. Wow, Free People. And it says retail price is $68, which I believe for Free People. I don't buy Free People myself, but it's a pretty good value. Here's my little tank top. Ultra Flow Vi Active, a little strappy thing, which I actually like these for cycling class because I kind of like to not, it gets hot in there, and it's nice to just be as breathy as possible. Okay. And of the leggings, we're going to see what Threads for Thought. So that's actually a pretty good brand, I think. Okay, the Ultra Flow, does it have, it says the MSRP is $48. If you know this lady at all, there's no way I would be paying $48 for a plain little black tank, but look like they might be crops. I'm not sure. These are Threads for Thought. They're made from recycled plastic bottles, and yeah, $98. Does do have the little pocket there. It doesn't feel like you'd be able to fit your phone in it, but sometimes when you actually get them on, you can. I think I filled out a survey and stuff about pattern and stuff, and I was like, cool, go ahead with the pattern. So, not mad at this box. I was actually kind of like, because they don't let you know like your billing cycle is coming. I had gotten a box in November, I think, and I skipped December, and then I forgot to skip January. They don't give you a heads up. They just tell you, we just billed your box. And I was kind of like, oh, I don't need more activewear right now. But this is good stuff. And at least this I'll get a lot of wear out of. The thing to watch out with Yoga Club, they carry good brands. Their return policy is weird. I have not tried to return anything through them. You kind of can exchange things, but like maybe only once without shipping. I encourage you to do this like Facebook group trade thing, which looks like not something I care to get into. I think these pieces are all going to be fine. The tops are mediums, and I think the bottoms, yeah, the leggings are smalls, so that should fit fine. one thing that I don't love about them is you can't specify, your tops are one size. And like I would be a large in some of the sports bras they carry, I would be a large, and in a looser, like even like if this is oversized and I was trying it on in the store, I might end up deciding I would want a small. So I don't love that aspect of them. But their return policy is not great. Their pricing, I mean, this is $68 plus $98 plus $48. $210, I think, if I'm adding this correctly, which is great for $65. I wouldn't personally pay that, although I probably would. I would pay, honestly, I would pay like, you end up paying $30 for a hoodie, and I do, and $20 for these, which are $98, but that's my price, and $10 for these. So I did fine, I guess. I don't think I'm gonna keep doing it. What this is good for is if you just like activewear and you're not super picky, and you're building a wardrobe, which unfortunately, like, I'm not really building an activewear wardrobe. I kind of have too much already. But if you're not super picky, activewear is really flexible. Here's the outfit I received in January. This is the sweatshirt from Free People. The retail on it was $68. Probably if I were in a store and trying on different sizes, I might decide to go down to a small. Although I don't mind, like, it has some extra length. I think it's meant to be kind of cropped, and I kind of like the extra length on it. And it does have this kind of interesting detail where the band gets wider in back. I'm not super into sweatshirts with bands, but it's mostly just an everyday run around, knock around sweatshirt, so it's really good for that. I do really like that the zipper goes down far enough that I can take it off and not totally mess up my hair, especially if I put my hair up to go to exercise class or something, and then if I take my sweatshirt off and then I have to redo it. This is the tank. I'm trying to get this is the actual tank because I'm wearing a black bra that has a lot of straps. So this is a medium, and I would not want to size down in this. It's a good, I mean, honestly, this whole outfit I could wear to a cycling class, which is what I told them that I do. The leggings are kind of cropped. A little mesh here and mesh here. And they do that annoying thing that dark patterns do a lot of times, where it's dark patterns printed on a white fabric, where when you bend your knees, they get lighter. That's slightly annoying to me. I don't know. Are they see-through? Overall, I'm happy with it. I don't think this is a top I would pay $48 for under any circumstances. And the leggings are fine. I would not pay $98. I've never paid $98 for leggings, and these would not be the ones that I would suddenly decide I needed to pay $98 for. But I do think they're cute. They're not super low. And they have an elastic at the top. The brand on these, what is the brand on these? I said this. Threads for Thought. Actually, both the leggings. I'll show you what I got in my last box too. Both of the pairs of leggings that I've gotten from them have been made of recycled water bottles, which is kind of cool. This is last month's outfit. I have not worked out in this tank at all. Most of my bras are dark, and I don't like that it's kind of see-through. I've used this as a layering tank under pieces. So I'll get use out of it. I'm not super excited about it. And the pants are kind of cute. And they don't do the like fading out the knees thing when you bend your knees. They are more of a bathing suit kind of material. The brand is Niyama Soul. I've never heard of that brand outside of Yoga Club unboxings. But they feel like nice quality leggings. The only thing is they don't have any kind of elastic at the top, which just makes them not great. I don't find that they stay up that well when I exercise, so I don't really reach for them. They're cute though. I have to find like the right activity that they work really well for. I have not even tried them at cycling. They'd be terrible for cycling. I've worn them in hot yoga, and I think they held up okay to the heat. I just felt like they were sliding. I got this top, which I've worn a few times, and I really like it. This is alternative apparel, I think. And I do remember that the MSRP on this was $36, and Amazon has this exact shirt for $36 in this color. They also have it in other colors for like around 10. So I actually like it, and I would consider, if I needed tanks, which I really never do, I would consider getting another one. 'Cause to me it's like nice, it's like fitted-ish, you know? It's kind of flattering, but it's not overly clingy, so I like it. Whenever I do actually wear these pants, I happen to already have this top that matches them pretty much perfectly, so that's what I end up wearing together. I'm gonna go now. No tail wagging back there.